look what we have here. Jewelweed, aka touch-me-nots. This plant is highly regarded in the anti-itch community. It helps with bug bites, bee stings, wasp stings, poison ivy, oak, and sumac. The Native Americans knew this. In fact, they would make all kinds of balms and salves out of it, or better yet, cut open the stalks and just rub it directly on their arms and legs, feet, hands, everything. Especially when they knew that they were going towards wooded areas with poison ivy or sumac, because it would help keep their skin completely protected. So if you ever find this magnificent plant in nature, you definitely want to harvest a little bit of it, because the roots and the stalks and the leaves are all beneficial. You can cut them up and you can soak them in some rubbing alcohol for a few days and make yourself an awesome tincture for your legs or your arms. Or even if you're just wanting to soothe some poison ivy. Okay, Aiden here is going to show us why these are regarded as touch-me-nots sometimes. Their official
Well, that was
the official name is a jewelweed, but this is why, because these little bean pods, you want to get that other one and show them? These bean pods, if you squeeze them, they just kind of like shoot at you.
Okay,
Let's see, you want to try that one?
I don't think that one's ready. Oh, never mind.
Yeah, there goes that one. And they're easily identifiable from these beautiful orange flowers. Another way to identify them too is you can take one of their leaves and put it underwater.
The underside of their leaves are hydrophobic.
Yes.
So it creates a silvery-like aspect.
Yeah, so kind of like what he said, the underside of the leaf will shine sort of like a silvery luster. And they are often found, as you can tell, this one's kind of like a bush, and big bush-like clusters.
It just seems like it
Near water sources. So here he's showing an example right now.
Looks like it's sticking.
And this one is right here next to this big creek. Thank you for tuning in. Please like and subscribe for more videos.